In this video,
we will learn how to fix lag in Fortnite. In order to fix your lagging in Fortnite, firstly all you need to do is from the search panel of Windows, type in Epic Games Launcher. After that, click on Open. Now your Epic Games Launcher will open up. Just wait for a few moments to properly give it time to load. After that, head to the library section. From here, you will see your Fortnite game. So just right click on it. Click on Manage. Now under the installation section, just click on this folder icon. After coming into the Fortnite games folder, go to the folder called Fortnite game, then binaries, now Win64. Now scroll down until you find the exe file of Fortnite, which is Fortnite Win64 shipping.exe. Just right click on it, head to properties, click on the compatibility tab. Now from here, make sure to disable full screen optimization, and under the change high DPI settings, go to the override high DPI scaling behavior setting and take it. Now click on OK, apply and OK. After that, go into your Fortnite game in order to tweak some settings. In order to do that, from the top right hand side, click on your profile icon. After that, go to the gear icon. And from here, under the display tab, make sure that it is set to full screen. The resolution should be your native resolution. VSync should be turned off, and your frame limit should be the refresh rate of your monitor. So if you're using a 120 Hz monitor, make sure it is on 120 FPS. And if you're using a 60 Hz monitor, make sure that it is on 60 FPS. Now the rendering mode is subjective. If you want to gain the ultimate amount of performance mode is recommended. But in general, DirectX 12 is good and it delivers a good performance. Now from here, you need to scroll down and go to the graphics quality tab. In here, make sure that if your graphics card supports NVIDIA DLSS, to make sure you turn it on and set the preset to quality or balanced. After that, scroll down and make sure that dynamic 3D resolution is turned off. Nanite geometry is turned off. Shadows is on, turned off or medium. Global illumination, reflections are turned off. View distance can be far because it helps you see enemies afar, but you can choose it whatever you want. Now the texture, effect and post-processing all should be on the lowest setting. And if you want the ultimate performance, make sure to disable hardware ray tracing. After changing these settings, go to the game tab from the top hand side. Scroll down until you find the recording section and make sure to disable record replays. Then hit on apply and go back to the lobby. Now after changing these settings, you should have a very stable FPS in Fortnite and your lagging issue should be fixed. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our Topical Talks channel for more videos.